The question is, when change comes, and change is coming at us fast and furious, will you remain at the forefront of change, or will you be unraveled by it? And what sets apart industry-leading businesses, those who embrace change and uncertainty and see opportunity where others see a threat, what sets them apart is moonshot thinking. Moonshot thinking is a way of imagining the seemingly unimaginable and solving the seemingly unsolvable. It's a way of combining idealism and pragmatism, of marrying extraordinary thinking with a really concrete, actionable process for achieving extraordinary results. And in my keynote, I'll share with you my 4-step moonshot process. The first step is reimagine. I'll show you how you can reimagine what's possible, define your moonshot, create a really actionable roadmap for getting there, and eliminate assumptions that are holding you back. You'll emerge from the reimagine phase with a couple of really great ideas that in the second phase of the process, you can test and experiment. I'll show you why most businesses go about experimentation the wrong way and how to set up the right conditions for you to get real-world data about whether your ideas are going to resonate with your clients or not. In the third stage, which is accelerate, you'll take data from both failed experiments and successful experiments to be able to iterate and improve over time. I'll explain how you can create a company culture that rewards learning from failure. I'll reveal why it can be harder for a business to survive its own success than its failure, and why you should disrupt yourself before others do it for you. And the final stage of the process is achieve. The goal here is to achieve from the moonshot process, or to emerge from the moonshot process, having achieved your objectives. But here's the amazing thing about moonshot thinking. Even if you fail, in other words, even if you don't get your moonshot, you will fail above everybody else's success. And by the end of the keynote, you'll have actionable strategies that you can use to spot opportunities that you couldn't see before, to future-proof your business from changing trends and technologies, and emerge with an extraordinary advantage to define the future of your industry.